Welcome to Why Use Herbs. Today's herb is yarrow flowers. What is yarrow flowers? It is a beautiful white flower that benefits the body. Yarrow flowers are a botanical antioxidant and may be used both internally and externally. Yarrow flowers help digestion and support cardiovascular function. Yarrow flowers are a popular medicinal herb which supports natural menstrual flow, aids in a healthy urinary system, and benefits digestion. How to use yarrow flowers. They may be used as a tea, a liquid extract, or externally as a poultice. The powder can easily be made into capsules, which will save you over 60% the cost of store-bought capsules. When to take yarrow flowers. Always talk to your healthcare professional first, and if approved, yarrow flowers can be used during any time of the day. Yarrow flowers may be used with food or without. Safety and quality of yarrow flowers. Herbs which you use should always be tested for E. coli, salmonella, heavy metals such as lead, mercury, cadmium. They should also be GMP'd, which is good manufacturing procedures, as well as purchased from reputable companies. Cautions. As with all herbs and supplements, never use while pregnant or nursing without your physician's approval. The taste of yarrow flowers is sweet and sour. Yarrow flowers are considered neutral. The channels for yarrow flowers are the heart, liver, and gallbladder. Herbal actions of yarrow flowers. They are a natural herbal expectorant. Why use herbs? Herbs benefit the body by promoting natural healing and focusing on enhancing the body's natural responses. Herbs can be used on their own or in a formula, a combination of herbs, which will usually give you a greater effect than using a single herb. We here at Why Use Herbs are hoping you're enjoying these presentations. Feel free to leave us feedback. Give us a list of herbs you would like us to discuss. We plan on discussing herbs in leaf form, root form, tubers, stems, berries, and flowers. Please feel free to let us know what herbs you are looking for. And thank you for listening.